Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today I'm showing you an exciting product we sell on our e-store, and that's the Ural fork-mounted LED driving light kit. In this video, we're going to be checking out the quality of this kit, the benefits, and we can ship this right to your door from our e-store. So definitely take a look at the listing. It'll be linked in this video and in the description. But now let's take a closer look together. First, if any of the other goodies you see on this Ural interest you, they will be all linked in the description. They're all available on our e-store, so definitely check them out. Some notable mentions are the hand shifter. We have this awesome short windscreen in the tinted color for the sidecar. We even have an LED driving light on the sidecar fender. All very, very cool things, all available on our e-store. So now getting to the fork-mounted driving lights, we can see they have the protective grille on them. These are an optional extra, so make sure to just check that box on our e-store if you'd like those. We can see this owner had us really build his dream Ural, and he opted to have the protective grilles put on all the driving lights. So I think it just gives it a very robust and attractive look. And checking out how these are mounted, we have custom brackets. So of course we have the bracket that is connected to our light itself, so then we can adjust it up and down to have the exact aim we'd like. But then that connects to our custom bracket, which uses a factory mounting location on the front grab handle kind of frame here. So if we actually look through, and we can see, I'll put an arrow on the screen for you, that's the bolt that mounts these on. Like I said, factory location, no drilling or anything on this front fender, so if you want to take these off, it's like they were never there. And then we can see the harness just runs up into the kind of head tube area of the bike where the main harnesses are. Very clean installation. And they come with a waterproof switch, which is right here. This left one is what they are wired to. We can see it has like a rubber jacket on it, and if you listen to it, it's just a very satisfying and high quality item to use. So to turn them on, we just need to turn our ignition on and then flip the switch. And we have them on here. We can see all of our crated new Royal Enfields ready to be assembled here. But if we look, when we turn the bars, our lights turn with them, because remember, these are fork mounted. So wherever you're steering, if you're trying to steer around like a dim corner, it's almost like having on a higher end automobile like the active corner illumination where the headlights follow where you're turning. That's exactly what it is on the Ural with this kit. So that's just an extra perk of where they're mounted, and it adds extra safety as well because it really helps with your visibility on the road. And this bike does have the, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it does have the glass H4 housing with the LED upgrade in it. So the lighting on this machine is really, it's really stellar. So now that we've seen it installed on the Ural, we've checked out how they work, let's look at the kit and that custom wiring harness that we build to make it as easy as an installation as possible. Let's check all that out. Now with the parts laid out, let's take a closer look. I'll start with the lights themselves. It is all aluminum, the housing, and we can see these very nice heat fins, so they dissipate heat very efficiently. And we can see just the quality of the lens, the reflector housing there, and then the LED chip in there. And they are very bright and very effective. So waterproof connector as well. And the wiring is very thick gauge, which is a bonus. And speaking of wiring, let's move on to our custom wiring harness. We have the connections here that will go into the lights, the receiving end of those, so we can see the seal will do a very effective job at keeping these nice and dry. And we have our high quality switch, which we had already seen on the bike, but we can see a nice thick gauge leading to it, and once again that satisfying click. And you can see it is pretty stiff as well. I had to brace it here with another hand. So once again, just it's the little things that really make a kit, you know, kind of make or break something like this. We have the fuse for the power wire, of course, and then the tap ready to go, ready to just crimp over the required wire. And then our custom little mounting brackets here, made out of just one piece of aluminum, we can see here. And it is very high quality, it's very light, and the tolerances are all very, just very precise, very close. And then we have our all of our stainless steel hardware. Let me just unscrew this. It threads in very nicely. The threads are cut very cleanly, and it's a nice kind of coarse thread, so it's not going to strip out easily. And then we have a washer and a locking washer as well. So you can see just how smoothly this screws in. You're not going to have any problems with trying to get this to bite, or like I said, like stripping out, as long as you're not over tightening it or having to clean up any threads. It's all very high quality and plug and play. There is even an instruction sheet that comes with it to walk you through the installation. So now that we've seen the parts on the table, let's check out where we can get them from. Here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward and modern layout. Starting at the top of our listing, we have current pricing, this being accurate at the time of filming. And we can see just below there reviews people have left. And then a feature we're proud to offer here at AlphaCars is the option to show full cost with installation. So this is a very convenient and time-saving feature when trying to calculate all the costs involved with a particular product, and little to no other online retailers offer this function. So all we have to do is check this box, and we have our cost with labor to have this installed here at AlphaCars. Next, moving to our photo gallery, we just have some nice detailed and clear photos of the product. Now, moving below there, we have a detailed description, which highlights the product's features, specifications, vehicle fitment notes, and any installation instructions that are available. So now that you are familiar with the product and where to get it, I'll give some final comments. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you're well informed now on the fork-mounted LED driving light kit. Please leave a like on this video and consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the latest cars, bikes, or accessories we have to offer here at AlphaCars. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. And until next time.